go in the back of the shop and see if anybody needs a hand. Can I help you out with anything?
Yeah, if you can find my socket. Oh, I know where.
Is that your socket? Hold on, wait, I got it.
My little
Can
socket with your little hand.
Butterfingers.
Yeah, but you got the wrong hand to do that.
See if Trent needs a hand. Do you need a hand?
Always. What's up?
I hold it.
Use that thing to push one of these up.
Alright, got you. Alright, let's lift her up. There we go. You need any more help there? Alright, rolling the tire. There we go. We'll just push her down.
Alright.
Gotta let her go. Yeah. Strengthen hands. Pound it. Yeah. Tire.
It's on here.
Yeah.
And then I'll spin it so it'll be down more towards the bottom.
There. Hands are getting kind of dirty. Yeah.
Yeah, so then next is just roll that beautiful bean dirty.
All right. Good job, Trent.
Good job.
Little handshake.